In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and disable WebForms in Zoho CRM. WebForms are a great way to capture leads and contacts directly from your website into your CRM, so knowing how to quickly turn them on or off is really useful. Maybe you're updating a form, running a temporary campaign, or you just need to pause submissions for a while. I'll walk you through the exact clicks you need to make and share a few tips along the way so you know what to expect on screen. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho CRM account and you're on any main page, like the Home tab. From here, look toward the upper right corner of the screen for the gear icon, also known as the settings icon. Go ahead and click that. This will open the main setup or settings area for your CRM, where you can manage all the configuration options. Once the settings page is open, you'll see a search bar or a search field at the top of the settings area. Click into that search box and type WebForms as one word. This is the quickest way to jump straight to the WebForms section without scrolling through all the other modules and options. After typing WebForms, you should see a result labeled WebForms appear in the list below the search bar. Click on that WebForms option. This will bring you to the WebForms management page, where all your existing forms are listed. Here, you can see which forms you have set up along with their current status. On this WebForms page, locate the specific form you want to enable or disable. Next to each form, you'll see a toggle switch or a similar control that lets you turn the form on or off. When you toggle it on, the form becomes active and will start accepting submissions from wherever it's embedded. When you toggle it off, the form is deactivated and new submissions will no longer be captured in Zoho CRM. After you flip the toggle, follow any on-screen prompts that appear. Zoho may ask you to confirm the change, save your settings, or review